Alright guys, so today's video is about the W17 Pro smartwatch, and you can see microwear smartwatch. So this is how it looks like with 500 plus watch faces, and this video will be about the unboxing and first impression of this W17 Pro smartwatch. Right on the front you can see a dot here that shows that we have a black strap inside the box, and down here we can see some features like mActive Pro app, that is the app that it is using, the recommended app, Bluetooth call feature, Bluetooth camera, music, heart rate and sport. And on the other side we can see mActive Pro also. Right here we can see the watch 7.45mm, and at the back there is nothing there. And right under it you can see some other stuffs written there like phone book, alarm clock and every other feature that it has with the QR code for mActive app. Alright, so let's unbox this guy and see what it has to offer. Alright, the first thing we are going to see here is the user manual. User manual is pretty long, which you can see here. It has some of the details about the smartwatch and how to change and use and also operate it to its maximum potential. So we'll come back to that. And the watch itself, this is how it looks like. Wow, looks nice. So it comes with a big screen and the bezels are huge, okay, with a film on it, so we have to peel that off. And also it has a crown, which you can see by the side here. This button also works, which is first time I'm seeing a button that works by the side like this. Most of them doesn't work. Most of these generic smartwatches button doesn't work. Now we have a film at the back also, which we have to peel off. Alright, we have peeled that off too, and this looks really nice. And we have a hologram sticker here. So let's do the needful. We have the charger. This is a wireless charger. As you can see, it has W17 Pro at the back, and this is a wireless charger. So let's charge it up and see how this performs. Okay, and we have to peel this off. As you can see, it comes with a film also on the charger. You have to peel it off. Okay, alright, so we can see it is charging. This is how the charging animation looks like. So let's just wait for it for some time and let it boot up, and I'm going to show you the interface and every other thing you need to know.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so we have the watch charging, but I want to show you guys some things because this is the first impression. So let's just quickly do some connection and I'll show you how to connect W17 Pro smartwatch right now. To switch it on, this is the power button here. Alright, so you press hold this and it's going to switch on the smartwatch. Now let's swipe down and see what we have. This is the shortcut to the menu. As you can see, it is not connected yet. The battery level is low, and we have other features here. So we are going to try and connect it. We have to switch on that Bluetooth call, and let me see some settings here. The font is not bad, as you can see. Okay, to connect to phone you have to scan this QR code. Alright, so swiping to the side you see a quick menu which is split screen. Alright, here you are going to see your heart rate monitor and something like that. Let's see. Okay, in the full review I'm going to show you and tell you if this heart rate feature really works, because I don't really trust these Chinese smartwatches. So let's go. You have the menu for music and you can add gadgets here. Okay, I think that is all, and swipe down is notification or message center. Okay, so let's try and see how many watch faces are there, because we can see that the watch faces here, according to the manufacturer, they claim to be 500. So let's see how many watch faces are here. Presso doesn't work. Let's use the crown. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we have just 6. We have just 6 watch faces here. So that is just it. I think you can download the rest of the smartwatch faces right from the app, which is the mActive Pro app. So let's connect it up and see how it works. Go to our Google Play Store and download mActive Pro. Okay, I will select that. Let's install it. Now our mActive Pro app has been installed. Let's launch it and let's give it the permission. We have to agree and allow you to use our app. While using the app, allow you to manage and make calls. Okay, allow you to stop optimizing battery usage. So you have to grant it permission to run at the background so that it won't be killing the mActive Pro app when we are in. Now you have to log in. You can use your email or you can use your Gmail to log in, WeChat account, and here is visitor login. Let's use visitor login here. Later on I'll show you how to do the rest. Now we have everything here, so let's just change only this. Let's change the date of birth. Okay, and save. Notification permission, enter. So you have to toggle notification for mActive Pro. Alright, allow. This is notification access page, and use your location permission, open. Okay, so our location has been turned on, our data have been turned on, and our Bluetooth has been turned on. Okay, so now I think the watch is connected. Let's see. Let's go to our device down here. Okay, it's not connected yet, so let's connect it. Allow mActive Pro to take picture and record while using this app. Allow it to access media and photos. Allow. And see our watch 7 has just popped up, as you can see here. So this is our watch 7. We select that, and now you can see it is connected. Now we have an update reminder. Let's check it out. Let's update it. Okay, the battery of the watch is low. Please try again after charging. Alright, so I'm going to try that again after. Okay, this is the user interface. As you can see, this is the mActive Pro app, and this is the sports mode, and this is the device page. Okay, this looks nice. The Bluetooth, okay, that looks nice. Let's go back. The dial manager, okay. Let's install one of these nice looking app watch face. Wow, this is awesome. This looks beautiful. I really like all these smart watch faces I'm seeing here. They are all beautiful, most especially the avatar watch faces that I just saw. Let's look at this. Okay, battery watch is low, so I'm going to show you how you can change the watch face using your mActive Pro in the upcoming videos. So in the coming video, I'll be sharing with you the tips and tricks on how to use your W17 Pro smartwatch and how to connect it and how to update the watch paper and do every other stuff. So if you really want to see that, please subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell so that I can get notified once I post a new video like this one. Bye for now. Peace.